Don't pay tax in India without knowing this. Seriously, there's a completely legal way some Indians are saving lakhs, even crores, just by staying in Dubai for a bit. It's simple, it's legal, and yet, so many people don't know about it. Here's the secret sauce: the 183-day rule. If you stay outside of India for 183 days or more in a financial year, you become a non-resident Indian, or an NRI. So, why does that matter? Well, it's a huge deal for your wallet. As an NRI, you don't pay tax on the profits you make from selling stocks or property in India. That's right, zero capital gains tax for NRIs on those specific investments. Now, you could do this from many countries, but why is Dubai the go-to choice for so many smart investors? It's because Dubai is a zero-tax zone. We're talking 0% tax on your personal income, 0% tax on your stock market gains, and 0% tax on your property profits. On top of that, it's safe, it's close to India, and getting residency there is relatively straightforward. It's the perfect hub for this strategy. Let me give you a real-world example to show you how powerful this is. An investor I know had a massive stock portfolio that he wanted to sell. The Indian capital gains tax on his profit was going to be around 1.35 crore rupees. That's a huge tax bill. So, what did he do? He moved to Dubai for just over 6 months. He established his NRI status, then sold his entire stock portfolio. The result, he legally saved that entire 1.35 crore in taxes. And here's the best part. The money he saved did just cover his entire 6-month stay in Dubai, the flights, the rent, the lifestyle. He still had a massive amount of extra cash left over. His trip to Dubai was essentially free, and he walked away with a fortune he would have otherwise paid to the taxman. Now, before you pack your bags, let's be clear. This isn't some loophole or a cheat code. It's a legitimate tax planning strategy based on Indian tax law. However, it's not for everyone. This strategy really only makes sense if you are dealing with very high net worth profits. The tax savings need to be substantial enough to justify the cost and effort of relocating for 6 months. For smaller gains, the expenses of living abroad would probably outweigh the tax benefits. You have to do the math and see if it works for your specific situation. Think about it this way. For a large transaction, let's say a 10 crore profit, the tax saving is significant. But for a 1 lakh profit, it's obviously not practical. This is a strategy for high-stakes financial moves. It requires careful planning, understanding the residency rules in both India and the UAE, and making sure you follow every step correctly to legally qualify as an NRI for that financial year. It's about being smart with the laws that are available to you. This whole world of NRI taxation, residency rules, and international tax planning can seem complex, but it's incredibly valuable to understand. There are nuances to the 183-day rule, different types of income that are taxed differently, and specific requirements for obtaining residency in places like Dubai. Knowing these details can unlock opportunities you never thought possible. So, if you want to dive deeper and get a full breakdown of how all of this works, I'm thinking of making a detailed video on it. We could cover the exact NRI residency rules, the step-by-step process for planning a move, and a complete guide to tax optimization. If that sounds interesting to you, just comment tax guide below. If enough of you are interested, I'll create a comprehensive video breaking it all down. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the comments.